Nutritional needs of infants and children, breastfeeding, supplementary, artificial feeding, and weaning. Weaning. Weaning means introducing a range of food gradually until baby is eating the same food as the rest of your family. Around 6 months baby need more than milk alone and is able to eat solid food in addition to formula milk. Weaning is when a baby transitions from breast milk to other source of nourishment. When to wean is a personal decision. Weaning a baby is a gradual process. At 6 months of age, WHO recognized complementary feeding initiated and supplementary to breast milk started. Breast milk output 600 to 700 ml per day for a healthy mother. Less milk output malnourished mother, underweight child and initiate weaning early at 5 months of age. Continue breastfeeding, frequency and amount reduced. Three stages of weaning. Stage 1, 6 months. Start weaning on baby. Offer child a small amount of food. Then second stage. Around 7 months start to introduce finger foods. Offer red meat to a non-vegetarian baby at least once a week. Stage 3, 10 months to 1 year. Baby should be enjoying 3 meals a day with snacks and drinks between meals. Weaning chart. See, this weaning chart shows carbohydrate, proteins, vitamin or vegetables, fruits, spices and other nutritive values, that is in the age category wise 6 months, 7 to 8 months and 9 to 12 months. Essential follow sequences. That's the three categories: weaning, age of conception and remarks. First, starting with weaning is breastfeed 0 to 6 months, then semi-liquid after 5 to 6 months, easy to digest, smooth and gently on baby stomach, then semi-solid after 8 to 9 months. Baby now need food with taste and texture. Then semi-solid after 10 months. Baby now needs food that satisfy his urge to chew complex food. Then solid diet 1 to 1.2 years. Include variety of food items. Pre-preparations. Hands carefully washed with soap and water before preparing food. Utensils washed and scrubbed thoroughly. Clean cooking place and chopping board. Food should be fresh for weaning, prepared immediately, cooked and boiled well, mashed with a clean pestle fork or spoon. Use clean water for washing and making weaning food. Not store for more than 2 hours. Age group with food items. Age, food items, amount and frequency. Up to 1 year age group, the frequency is 4 to 6 times per day. At the age 5 to 6 months, initiated with fruit juice, that is 1 to 2 teaspoon at first. Then 6 to 7 months, soft mixture of rice and dal, pulses, mashed and boiled potato, bread or roti soaked in milk or dal, mashed fruits like banana, mango and papaya, 3 to 4 teaspoons and increase gradually. 7 to 8 months, egg yolk, curd. 9 months, enjoy bite of biscuit and above foods, which are all the foods taken in 6 to 7 months and 7 to 8 months. Then 9 to 12 months, more variety of household foods can be added. Can eat everything cooked at home. Spices and condiments avoid. No need to mash food, but food should be soft.
5 to 6 teaspoons and increased gradually. These all food items you can give the frequency interval 4 to 5 times per day.
Artificial or supplementary feeding. Artificial feeding should be started only if the mother is unable to breastfeed the baby. Mothers who are not motivated for breastfeeding may use this as an excuse for stop feeding their babies. Artificial feeding means to feed the child other than breast milk. It involves the use of breast milk, substitute in the form of liquid milk, that is a fresh cow's or commercially available dried whole milk. Aims of artificial feeding: to provide adequate nutrition to the infant, to substitute breast milk and provide nutrients approximately as the same as breast milk, to fulfill the needs of the child for proper growth and development, to provide adequate nutrition to infant. That means whenever the mother can't able to give breast milk other than any problems related to breast, so inadequate amount of nutrition in the infant, so that's cope up with the artificial feeding. That is the first point, to provide adequate nutrition to infant. The second point, to substitute breast milk and provide nutrients as same as breast milk. That means here artificial feeding is a role of substitute. Breastfeeding is not there, so another way to take all the nutrients into the infant, so that is the artificial feeding. The third one, to fulfill the needs of the child for proper growth and development. In case of the baby doesn't get breast milk properly, so nutritional deficiency will occur and that's affecting to the growth and development. So here we will fulfill with the artificial feeding. Indications of artificial feeding: death or absence of mother. In case of mother, no more. Otherwise, the baby and mother are different places. Maybe the baby in neonatal unit or mother is in ward or something like conditions we are going for as a artificial feeding. And second point is prolonged maternal illness. The mother having any medical conditions relating to the pregnancy or some other disease conditions, so we can't able to give as a breastfeeding continuously, again we are going for as to artificial feeding. Complete failure of breast milk production, third point. Next, absolute contraindication of breastfeeding. Then the fifth point, expressed breast milk is not available. These are the main indications for artificial feeding. Principles of artificial feeding. Here mainly we are following 15 main principles for artificial feeding. They are: the decision of giving artificial feeding must be taken after failure of all effort to breastfeed the baby. Here we need to check the indications of artificial feeding. Here we already discussed the 5 main indications of feeding. In any one is failure means we can go for as to artificial feeding. Then second point, feeding should be given by spoon and bowl or cup or glass. That means don't promote bottles. In sick or preterm infant, the feeding can be given with a dropper. Fourth, bottle feeding must be avoided and mothers need explanation or information about the hazards of bottle feeding. Fifth, strict cleanliness in the preparation of feeding procedure should be practiced. Sixth, milk left over from previous feed should not be used again. Seventh, feeding must be given with the calculated amount of fluid and calories according to the baby's expected weight. Eighth, correct techniques of feeding to be followed. 9. The milk should be warm, not too hot or too cold. 10th, an average 15 to 20 minutes may be needed to feed the total quantity as required. 11th, number of feed can be 6 to 8 times in infant and 3 to 5 times in older babies. 12. Hygienic measures are very important. 13. If dried milk is used, it should be reconstituted as per direction given by the manufacturer. 14th, burping may be needed to allow to push out the swallowed air and to prevent vomiting, abdominal discomfort. Last one, supplementation of vitamins and minerals may be needed for babies to prevent deficiency conditions. Important points related to artificial feeding. Use cutlery spoon or cup for feeding. Avoid using bottle for feeding, which is a source of infection. If using bottles, prefer glass bottles instead of plastic or metal bottles. Clean feeding vessels and rubber nipples using bottle brush and fresh clean water after each feed. Bottle and nipple need to be sterilized by boiling before each feed. Boil rubber nipple for 1 or 2 minutes only and bottle for at least 10 minutes. Keep bottle and nipple in covered container till these are used. Preparation of milk. If cow milk, boiled properly, boiling make easy digestible. Commercially available dried powdered milk are reconstituted by mixing 1 level of measure of milk powder plus 30 ml of water. Feed requirement. 3 categories: age, number of feed in 24 hours and amount. At birth, at least 6 to 10 times, its baby need half ounce to 2 ounce each feeding, that is birth to 3rd day, and need frequent feeding also. 2 weeks to 1 month, at least 6 to 10 times, 60 to 120 ml. 1 to 2 months, 6 to 8 times, 60 to 120 ml. 3 to 5 months, 5 to 7 times, 150 to 180 ml. 6 to 8 months, 4 to 5 times, 180 to 240 ml. 9 to 11 months, 3 to 4 times, 180 to 240 ml. 12 months, 0 to 3 times, 180 ml. Hazardous factors related to artificial feeding. Danger of contamination, gastroenteritis, multiple nutritional deficiencies. Long-term artificial feeding leads to family disruption, frequent pregnancy, poor parent-child relationship, poor learning abilities, atherosclerosis, obesity, lactose intolerance. These are the main leading problems. Thank you.